Hello everyone, this is Arfin. Today we are going to learn how to make an image with a flat background. As you can see, this image has a flat color background. I have made this image from this image, and you can see that this image has a very different color background, and the contrast of this image is not so good. That is why my face is not looking very sharp. But in this image it is looking really stylish and very good. So how I made this image from this one is I'm going to teach you today. Now it is very straightforward, but if you don't know how to make it with this straightforward way, you will have some trouble. So I'm going to first do what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this background. But if you try to remove this one using Photoshop, it will be difficult because as you can see the colors are different. So if we select with Magic Wand tool, this won't be selected uniformly, so it will give us a lot of troubles to select this using Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take help of some internet tools that will remove the background automatically for me. So you can use any kind of online tools to remove the background, but I'm going to use I have already opened one, so I'm going to show you that. Why I'm doing this is because if we get a one color background in the image and then open it with Photoshop, then we can select and edit it like this one. Then we can add this white line if we want and other stuffs. But to remove the background in Photoshop, it is difficult. That is why we are using a different tool. So what I'm going to do is open that online tool. I'm using Remove BG. You can use any tool you want. So what I'm going to do is upload my image, and then this site will automatically remove the background for me. So I'm going to upload. This is the image I'm using. So yeah, this is the original image. I'm opening it. It's uploading. Yeah, the file is uploaded and the background is already removed. As you can see, it is very good at removing the background. I don't have any problems with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this image and open it in Photoshop. So let's just download it. You cannot download in high resolution because it asks for money. So yeah, I don't have money. So what I'm going to do is go back to Photoshop. There is my Photoshop, and I'm going to open it in Photoshop. So here is my image, the newly downloaded image. So I'm going to open it. So yeah, there is my image. So in this image, as you can see, we have lost some resolution, but it's okay. We're going to use it for profile pictures, so we don't need high resolution image. But what I'm going to do is first remove this lock from the layer, and this image is unlocked, and then I'm going to select using Magic Wand tool. So yeah, as you can see, this whole image background is selected. Now I can change its color to anything as I want. So let's say I chose this blue color, and it is already totally blue. So this is very nice, but if we used this one, so this wouldn't have been possible. So back to that image. Now we don't want we want that white background. So how we can do it is, let's just go back a bit. Yeah, this one. So to get that white background, what I'm going to do is deselect everything, and then use Magic Wand tool, and then select the whole image as I did. Now I'm going to shrink the selection. So how we can shrink the selection? We can shrink the selection from select, modify, and then contract. These options will reduce the selection. It will take the selection further from your skin. So let's say I take 10 pixels. So if I just 10 pixels and hit OK, so as you can see, the selection has gone 10 pixels further from my body. So now I'm going to use the color, and I'm going to use the color. I'm using shortcut G to select the color bucket, and yeah, now it is already colored in blue. And then I'm going to select a different color, let's say white, and I'm going to color the white portion of this. So yeah, so now I'm going to deselect it using Ctrl D, and yeah, now as you can see, that image is looking very good. Now if we want to change the if we want a sharper or smaller edge, then we can go back, yeah. Now we can contract a little less. Let's modify contract, and this is 5 pixels this time, and then we'll use the color, this color, and then we'll use the white to color this part.